Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a treble crochet stitch. A treble crochet will be abbreviated as TR. A treble crochet is worked very similarly to a double crochet, but with a few added steps. This is a fairly easy stitch to learn, and if you need to, you can always adjust the playback speed of this video if you need it to be a little bit slower. To begin, you're going to yarn over 2 times so that there are 3 loops on your hook. Then insert your hook into the stitch going under both loops, yarn over and pull up the loop. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And that's a treble crochet stitch. Let's do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch going under both loops, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 to complete the treble crochet. And that's how you make a treble crochet stitch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!